The product is made of pure cotton, soft touch, no irritation, will not hurt baby's tender skin. Although the consist design is of least juncture mostly, comfortable to wear, easy to put on and off, beautiful and generous, although it's no side effect when in contact with skin. In recent years, the labor cost of raw materials is higher. The product is aimed at families with new babies and high-end consumers. We can see from this form, Peru's birth rate is falling every year. The current market size is relatively niche because many ordinary consumers cannot afford the price of the product. Because our company wants to make the product more suitable for each user while ensuring its original quality, our products can be modified based on the customer's requirements. Then a custom manufacturing process is a good fit. We use two sales channels, direct marketing channel and indirect marketing channel. First includes telephone marketing and television direct sales. Another is factory store is linked, contract sale. Retailer and wholesalers buys goods directly from the factory. Similarly, our companies attach great importance to after-sales survey. There is a dedicated helpline for customer survey. The customer may call the online support or chat as per his comfort, discuss the problem and get it resolved. For a limited period of time, companies provide free replacement for the product in case of any queries.
The history of Peru spans 4 millennia, extending back through several stages of cultural development in the mountain region and the lakes. Peru was home to the Natichaco civilization, the oldest civilization in the Americas, and one of the 6 oldest in the world. The current population of Peru in 2019 is estimated at 32.51 million, up from the 2013 estimated of 30.47 million, and this 2007 census figure of 28.2 million. The school system is 12 years in duration, split into the following 4 stages: 1 year of compulsory per-school education, age 5, 6 years of primary school, age 6 to 11, 5 years of secondary school, age 12 to 16. Peru is classified as upper middle income by the World Bank and is the 39th largest in the world by total GDP. Peru is one of the world's fastest growing economic, with the 2012 GDP growth rate of 6.3%. It currently has a high human development index of 0.741 and per capita GDP above $12,000 by PPP.
Based on the horticulture principle theory, the difference between Australia and Peru are more than similarities. Although Australia and Peru are multinational countries, people have differences. As a developing country, Peruvians appreciate the group development rather than personal development. Australians enjoy the right of freedom and equality, while the sense of hierarchy go deep into Peruvians' heart.
The top 10 countries that grow organic cotton include Peru. Native organic cotton is sought after by fashion designers and consumers, and the absence of chemical dyes has become one of the important selling points. In recent years, the business opportunities of organic cotton has begun to attract farmers to plant. It is preferred raw material for children's sleepwear. Setting up a factory in Peru, reducing raw materials costs, production costs, and employer costs, and that makes greater profits.
Our company decided manufacturing in Peru because the current minimum wage in Peru, which is about $284. So that is the reason why to build the factory in Peru. The Peru is in the middle of the graph. After made the product, we will contribute to our main company, which in Darwin. Once we receive the product, we will sell them to the retail shop. In Darwin, the cost of labor will be higher compared with Peru. Relationship between the present entity and the new entity, that is, the new entity become to be a supplier. The present entity like a trade company, and the present entity is also a supplier to retail shops in Darwin. Our company will equally contribute some of shareholders into each part of our entity. The way to make our factory contain the sustainability in Peru is to ensure the factory has the enough assets, stable revenue, make sure we can pay for the labor wages. The material of making baby sleeping wear must be high quality, ensuring baby will not be stressed during sleeping. For the labor, we apply the insurance for each worker and also the wages. No discrimination on gender, equally contribute the welfare to each worker.
The financial cost during the expansion includes the implicit cost, like the local regulations and tax policy, and the explicit cost, like the fixed asset wages and transportation. The exchange rate between AOD and SOL may bring the potential financial benefits. In addition, the low material cost and labor benefit the shareholders. The basic human resource issues should be communicated barriers because the basic of the official language in Peru is Spanish. As a developing country, the power abuse and corruption in government are common in Peru. We need to deal with it carefully. Beyond that, the majority people in Peru believe in Catholicism, which is different from Australia. The religious faith should not be ignored by human resources.
The shareholders are the owners of the company and provide financial backing in return for potential dividends over the lifetime of the company. Every company or factory has to be expanded in the future to contain the sustainability in Peru and make sure the factory will be getting better and better to reduce the rate of unemployment for Peru, create job opportunities, reduce risks.